Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Berry in Roblox's Find the Berries game. This unique berry is a valuable collectible, essential for game progression and unlocking new areas within the game world. We'll cover its precise location, the specific challenges you'll face to reach it, and provide helpful tips to ensure your success in acquiring this elusive item. To begin your quest for the Kraken Berry, you must first reach the Atlantis area within the game. This mysterious underwater region holds many secrets, including the specific berry you seek. Ensure you have successfully unlocked access to Atlantis, as it is a crucial prerequisite for starting this particular challenge. Be ready for a series of unique trials and puzzles within this captivating aquatic environment. Acquiring the Kraken Berry involves several distinct steps. First, you'll need to successfully navigate a Kraken button maze. Following this, prepare for a Kraken button time trial, requiring quick reflexes. Next, you must escape a rising flood by completing a second button maze. Once these are done, you can enter the Kraken lair and claim your well-earned Kraken Berry. To maximize your chances of success, practice your in-game parkour skills diligently, especially for the intricate button mazes and demanding time trials. Consider watching community video guides for visual assistance on particularly tricky sections, which can save you time. Remember, patience is absolutely crucial. Some challenges might require several attempts to master. Stay persistent, and you will eventually secure the elusive Kraken Berry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.